Today we'll show you how to download Resident Evil in your PC. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Steam. If you don't have Steam, just go to Google and download the Steam application and open the Steam your account here. Okay, it's a simple. You can find the video how to make an account in Steam in our channel, and you can find how to download the Steam. Okay, it's simple. Okay, after downloading and after open your Steam account, just go now to store like this and go now to the search. Just click to the search and put Resident Evil like this, guys. Resident Evil. Okay, you can find like this search, but we need to see our version. Okay, just click to here, and now we will see every releases, every version. Okay, guys, like this, it's here all of them is here. Okay, so now this is in 2026, this in 2026 too. This is 2 April. Okay, this is 2 April 2. This is 2026 27 February. Okay, you can download what you want version. Okay, maybe this is the last and this is the last. Okay, just you can click one from them and go to shopping. It's okay, it's like this maybe, and after this just you will pay it with your card and with your system. You have gifts, you have like Steam cards, you can do everything. Okay, just don't forget likes and subscribe, and thank you for watching.